Elon Musk could be sending Elongate token to the moon. At least this is what most investors are betting on coming this Saturday when he's going to make his first appearance on SNL. There's a lot of things that are going on this weekend and a lot that's been going on in DeFi coins in general. So today we're going to be talking about Elongate and we're going to get into everything that I think could happen with this coin over the weekend and maybe even in the future. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link and our course program. It's linked down in the description below. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty, guys, here we are with Elongate. Let's take a look at everything that's been going on with this coin recently, and let's talk about where I think it could be heading tomorrow with SNL host Elon Musk being on his first ever appearance on the show. So let's talk about it right now. Here we have Elongate on Dex Guru. We're looking at the the chart for Elongate. As you can see here, this was the original run-up that happened just back here in April 21st, April 20th, kind of around in that area, not too long ago, obviously, and had a beautiful, nice run-up here off of TikTok hype and, of course, Elon, his original tweet that prompted the creation of this coin, which was to, if he ever got canceled, name his scandal or hashtag Elongate. A combination of Elon, you get the point. Anyways, these were the all-time highs that we're sitting at. It was sitting at still well below 10th, 100th, thousandth place of a coin. We're sitting at about 10,962, of course, at some of its all-time highs. Since then, had a pretty sizable pullback here, had a few pumps in between, but since then has been overall downward trending. That is, however, until this recent pump that we're seeing right here. We are seeing a bit of consolidation in this area, so that's not, anything too crazy. That's to be expected, in my opinion. But this was the original pump that happened pretty much yesterday. The day that we're filming this video is May 7th, of course. This happened about May 6th. We saw a huge push up into the night too as well, where we saw May 7th kind of pushing as well. And this is more than likely due to, in my opinion, not only SafeMoon pumping very large just the other day, which probably helped a lot of DeFi coins get kind of little pumps here and there as money begins to flood into these coins after seeing SafeMoon make money, but also the fact that Elon Musk will be hosting SNL this Friday, right? This Saturday. As you can see here from the CNN business article, Elon Musk could make fireworks on SNL. Investors are betting on it. And of course, this is something that I think everybody with money in these DeFi coins needs to take into account. And that is, of course, that with this, we need to talk about how Elongate, SafeMoon, all of these types of coins are lottery type coins, and they're much more likely to win, I think. This is not, of course, financial advice, and none of these videos should be considered such, but I do think that these coins obviously are a little bit more fun than the lottery, but they are lottery plays, in my opinion. I think that these are, for the most part, things that people put money in that they're either willing to lose or they don't care, that however much money they're putting into. And then when these coins do skyrocket, obviously they make money and, it's win-win-win and everyone's happy. But for the most part, this is something that's important. Just because Elon Musk is going on SNL tomorrow does not mean that this coin could absolutely rip and tear apart these previous all-time highs and do amazing. Now, is it helping push up the price right now? In my opinion, yes, that is what's happening currently, it seems, right now. Could this drop off again, and then even on the day that Elon hosts this actual, this SNL broadcast? Could it still go down? Possibly. But I do think that in this market, especially in the DeFi market, for whatever reason, these coins tend to respond to catalysts a lot more effectively. They're not as much a sell the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news, rather. They're a lot more based off of catalysts, and once the events actually happen, you do see significant increases in price, whether that's AMAs, whether that's listing on major exchanges. A variety of different events that happen do tend to drive up the price of these coins. Now, with Elongate, of course, this is a person-specific coin. This is related absolutely 100% to Elon Musk. So in my opinion, I think his SNL broadcast could play a major role in the price action that we come to see. Whether that's up or down, it's still kind of not sure. I may throw some money into this just as a lottery type play, just to see if Elon Musk, somehow does inadvertently or even just being there drives up the price of this coin, then maybe I'll make some money here. This is kind of consolidating right here around the 6.4 or 6.384 level, just kind of around here. Once again, way. All of these coins obviously are much far less than a cent. You can still get ridiculous amounts of this coin for pretty cheap value. But overall, it's consolidating right here. Now, if we were to go back and look at previous all-time high or previous pumps after large run-ups in price, this of course is kind of a differently shaped pump. But as you can see here, the latest pumps, right, some of these would consolidate, even consolidate a little lower, and then they would pump again. But this one, for instance, did not do that. Consolidated a little bit and then kind of dropped quite a bit before it kind of had this stabilization period. Same with this, dropped lower. So that's the thing. When these coins tend to go high, people who bought in low are probably going to be taking profits, and it seems like that's probably what's happening as we're making this video with Elongate. Now, just so we get a little bit more understanding into just some of the things, let's go into the RSI real quick here. Let's pull the RSI up. As you can see here, previously very oversold, now entering back into the kind of mid-range, you know, upward. The upper limit is still well within reach of being oversold on Elongate. But overall, I think that, you know, this is kind of a consolidation period it looks like it's entering into. If we look at the coin market cap for Elongate, as you can see here, up about 18.24%, not too bad. Here's the chart just in a different kind of format so you can see. This is the pump that we're seeing right now. As you can see here, it's kind of flattening out here. Whether it will keep going higher for the SNL appearance that Elon will be making, we will have to see. I think that I personally might throw some money into this as a lottery play, like I said before, just because I think it could be interesting to see what happens with that. As you can see here, as far as watch lists go, 101,555 people have this on their watch list. It's ranked 2,586, but the thing is about CoinMarketCap, they don't update their watch list rankings that often. With SafeMoon, for instance, the ranking wasn't updated, but it had more watchers just yesterday than Bitcoin, which is absolutely crazy to think about. Of course, CoinMarketCap isn't the end-all be-all, place that really confirms these things, but overall, quite a few people are watching this coin and they want this coin to succeed. Now, just a real quick mention, because a lot of people, I'm sure, are probably curious or want to know a little bit more, because this is another big factor, and we'll talk about this in another video that will either come out today, tomorrow, sometime before the SNL broadcast, is Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is also something that inherently is associated now with Elon, and the things he does. Dogecoin has been having a massive tear just recently, had a bit of a consolidation period here where it kind of trended downward a little bit, but since then, since the Elon Musk SNL performance is kind of coming upon us or coming closer, it's ran up. So that is the point with these. So if you are trying to keep well aware of what's going on with these coins, where they could be going, who's talking about them, all of this information, and it seems like with these coins specific, the main person you want to pay attention to is Elon Musk. You want to pay attention to his tweets. You probably want to pay attention to what he's doing in public or in private, whatever it is, keep up with news articles or publications posted about him, because those types of things often tend to drive the price. They don't always, but they sometimes can tend to drive the price of these types of assets. As you can see here, we're at a pretty major support level, or sorry, this is not a support level, my bad. We are just sitting at, that's the current price. But anyways, overall, where do I think Elongate is going? I think that there is a high probability that Elon Musk going on SNL could be a very nice catalyst for this coin. I don't think that it will absolutely 100% drive the price up. I can't say that for sure, obviously, nor do I think it will drive the price into the floor. It'll be interesting to see what happens. This market always tends to like to fake out pretty much anybody who thinks they have an idea of what's going to happen. So I might put maybe 50 to 60 bucks into this and just kind of let it ride and see where it goes. But other than that, guys, that's pretty much it for Elongate. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys are holding this coin, if you made any money with this coin, and what you guys think this coin will be doing in the near future. I'd argue that both SafeMoon and Elongate are both really popular coins, and I think for the most part will have a really good amount of relevance for the coming future. These videos, of course, not financial advice, but we love to give you guys information and just overall what is going on with some of these coins in this market. So if you think that was helpful or at all valuable for you guys, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. Check out our WeBull link if you guys want to pick up some free stocks with WeBull, and check out our course program. It's all linked down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle of Finance Bro. Take it easy.